Now, if you want to go into business, the first step that you need to do is basically to have a list of people that you can contact. And this list is what we call as the prospect leads. Some call it generating leads. Basically, it means the same. Because if you don't have leads or you don't have a prospect list, how are you going to convert them into customers? Likewise, if you are selling products for your company, you need to have a list of people to call because you cannot depend on current customers. You need to develop the market. So basically, how do you generate leads? There are two ways you can generate. So today I'm going to focus on offline, and in the next episode, I'm going to focus on online. Now, how do you generate leads from offline? Number one is in terms of your warm market. Now, what is warm market? Warm market basically means the people that you know. For example, your friends, your relatives, your siblings, those are your warm market. And of course, when you are selling any products, please go to your warm market first because they will be the first one to support you. For example, if let's say you are selling healthcare products, where do you go first? Definitely, I'm sure you're going to sell it to your siblings, to your friends, and to your family members, or even your relatives. But make sure that they are acceptable. If not, they'll throw you out from the house. The second part is in terms of cold market. Now, cold market are strangers. You see, warm market is only so big. Now, once you have tapped into your warm market, the next market you will tap into is the cold market. People you don't know. And that's where you need to approach people, possibly they are on the streets. Wherever you meet them in gatherings, get their contact, and after that, you will approach them. The third part is, for example, if you are selling industrial products, you can approach the associations because every industries have their own associations. For example, if your products are suitable for the manufacturing industry, then you go to the manufacturing association. Or if your product is suitable for services, then go to the services association that is related to that kind of product. Why? Simply because they have a directory of people or of their members whom you can actually contact and whom you can actually approach. So the second part is in terms of the cold market. So, ladies and gentlemen, please remember, first things that you need to have a list of people to call. And please have that list ready before you even move on to the next step. In the next episode, I'm going to share with you what about online. So, see you then.